Ever wondered how your home carbonation machine, like a soda stream, turns plain water into fizzy goodness? We're about to dive into the science behind the soda. Carbonated drinks are universally popular, and machines that create them at home are increasingly common. But what exactly is happening inside that device? A carbonation machine, often exemplified by a soda stream, is essentially a simple device designed to inject carbon dioxide gas, or CO2, directly into water. The whole purpose of the machine is to achieve one thing: turning plain, still tap water into refreshing, sparkling water. To accomplish this transformation, the machine relies on a few core components working together under high pressure. First, you need a specialized, pressure-safe water bottle or carafe. Standard plastic bottles could burst under the necessary pressure, so these containers are built to handle the injection process. Next is the source of the bubbles, a high-pressure CO2 cylinder or cartridge, which is securely housed within the machine. Finally, the carbonation nozzle or injector is the mechanism that delivers the high-pressure gas from the cylinder into the water. Now that we know the components, let's walk through the three main steps of the carbonation process itself. Step 1 is simply filling the designated bottle with cold tap water. Cold water is crucial because CO2 dissolves much more easily in cold liquids than in warm ones. Step 2 involves locking the bottle firmly onto the machine's base, creating a sealed, pressure-safe chamber around the nozzle. Step 3 is the action moment, pressing the carbonation button. This action momentarily opens a valve, releasing a burst of highly pressurized CO2 gas through the nozzle and into the water. Under this high pressure, the CO2 gas is forced to dissolve into the water, following a principle known as Henry's law, which states that a gas dissolves into a liquid in proportion to its partial pressure above the liquid. The actual fizz we experience is a result of a combination of chemistry and physics at work. When CO2 dissolves in water, a small portion of it reacts to form carbonic acid, which is what gives sparkling water its slightly acidic and refreshing tang. The bubbles only appear when you release the pressure by disconnecting the bottle. The dissolved CO2 gas can no longer stay mixed with the water, so it escapes as gas bubbles, creating the satisfying fizz. So, a home carbonation machine is an elegant device that uses high pressure to temporarily force CO2 gas into cold water, transforming it instantly. It's a simple, convenient, and cost-effective way to enjoy sparkling beverages at home whenever you like, without needing store-bought bottles. If you enjoyed learning about the science of fizz, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more explanations of everyday science.